Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. January 30th, 2009. I got to tell you, I got to start liking 9 because this month, this year is starting out with such a freaking bang. It's unbelievable. I got to tell you, I think the Treasury's got to come to Global FX for the printing press because we just can't stop printing money. I don't like to tout my horn, I really don't, but this has been ridiculous. This has been some run we've had with Global FX Radio, Global FX Premium, and looking at the dollar index right now, bullish engulfing bar to the moon. Euro dollar just collapsed at the end of the day to perfection. Euro Canada, Euro sterling, Euro dollar, Euro yen, all melting as unemployment rate is surging in the Eurozone. And tonight's number for unemployment is going to be even worse. Just everything. Finally, the marketplace is recognizing that we have a problem, Houston. Eurozone in big trouble. No soup for you. So, dollar index again surging, and the euro dollar reversing. Carry trade collapsing. Triple roll working to perfection. Bond yields higher. Stock market down big. What a day. Just what a tremendous day. And this Euro Canada, I got to tell you, right now, the time is 2:53 p.m. Eastern, and it's trading at 58.22 and collapsing. And I'm loving life right now because you know what? You know, sometimes my best ideas never pan out, but the last couple of days, my best ideas have been working perfect. Sterling dollar, the relative strength winner. Sterling looking awesome. But again, I think it's going to get dragged down by the Dow, dragged down by the carry trade, and I think it's, euro sterling related. Big numbers tonight. Mortgage approvals out of London. I think they're going to be better. Net lending. I think again the big numbers coming out is going to be U.S. GDP is going to be terrible. So my prediction for tonight, the wave, right? Because listen, we live in a soap opera, right? We get different waves. We get Asia, we get Europe, we get U.S. So it's a whole soap opera on how the night's going to progress, what's going to happen, And this soap opera, I see more. The dollar will sell off into GDP. I think the dollar rallies in Asia. I think the carry trade continues to sell off in Asia. And then I think towards the end of the Eurozone European session, or the beginning, middle, midday, I think before that durable GDP number, the dollar's probably going to start selling off. So again, durable goods stay, by the way, an abomination. Just horrible. So U.S. economy collapsing, durable goods collapsing, dogs and cats living together, mass hysteria. Let's get to the charts. Dollar index looks very good here. Bullish engulfing bar. We get follow through, no doubt in my mind. I'd be shocked if dollar index did not take out the highs of today, tomorrow. Dollar yen, nice double top. Tweezer top, double top to the 30 exponential. It's going lower. I love it. I think it's going to crack through 89 maybe tonight. GDP is going to be an abomination. Dollar yen should be short. Rally should be sold. Anything over 90 from now on. That's it. Today's top, 90.50. 91.50 would be my ultimate, all right, you know what? I'm dead wrong. This thing is going up. I'm out. But unless it gets over 90.50, 91.50, I think it's dead short. Like I said, dollar index, dollar yen, is going to be under 80 at some point this year. At some point. I don't know when, but it will be at some point. Sterling dollar, I'm sorry, I got all these freaking lines all over the place. Oh my God. Sorry. Let's see, we go lines. Look at where the bounce was. Even took out previous day high. 20 exponential. Listen, sterling, like I said, once that rubber band, it's stretched. Look at that, stretched 1,500 pips in 5 days. We would due for a bounce. Now, the question is in my mind, and this, you know what, I got to tell you, I'm not the biggest, I don't know the exact definition. But what I'm curious about is, what would Fibonacci do here? Would you measure the Fibonacci from this high, or this high? In my opinion, it's this high. This is the Fibonacci you do. To do the other Fibos, to do it from here or from here, I don't buy that. I think it's from the most recent high. The most recent high. And look where we stopped. Bang! Right at the golden retracement. So I gotta tell you, and that was a spike high. I don't know if you guys and girls were following the market when we were, but I gotta tell you, that was a spike rip of 70 pips in your freaking face. Margin call city. Hopefully you didn't over margin yourself. You were able to benefit. But I gotta tell you, look at where we stopped. Right at the golden. Now I'm just nervous a little bit about the fact that the U.S. number is going to be so bad. Durable goods is going to be. I mean, durable goods was bad, but GDP is going to be terrible. But the estimate is so low, -5%. It's already so low. I think it comes out in line. If we get an inline number, I think the stock market might rally. But I got to tell you, I think GDP is going to be horrible. But if I'm wrong, stock market rallies. But the point is, right now it's 2:58 p.m. Eastern. I hope I get this out to you soon, because I think the stock market's going to collapse and close at the lows. GDP is coming out. Why would you want to be long an S&P future or a stock other than gold? Because gold reversed huge today to the upside. So, you know, I got to tell you, carry trade. Bye-bye. Let's take a look at Euro Sterling, because that was gorgeous, as gorgeous gets. I can't believe how much money I'm making in Euro Sterling. I mean, I have not made this much money in Euro Sterling ever. Ever. I am breaking all records for myself, personal records from Euro Sterling. I mean, this has been too easy. To the long side, to the short side, double top. Today was payday, wasn't it, boys and girls? Boy, did we short that at 92 on the U.S. Open. What, that rally in the morning? Anyone catch that rally? Oh! Sell, Mortimer, sell! I went to the dentist. I came back. I was up 130 pips in Euro Sterling. I've never made over 100 pips in Euro Sterling. I broke records today. That was pretty. That was pretty. And on size. Size. I'm in a very good mood, I know. It's a rarity. It's just gorgeous down here in Southeast right now. It is so pretty. Nice cloud in the sky, 75 degrees. People, I don't know what you idiots are doing up there in the north. I lived there my whole life. This is paradise down here. No kidding. Paradise. To trade and walk JoJo on the beach twice a day. Clubs, restaurants, best restaurants you'll ever see in Southeast. By the way, one day left. Info at globalfxradio.com. Remember, you can get my audio at globalfxradio.com. I'm doing King of the Mini contest, my own. The winner gets a $2,000 global account. Premium only. This is your last 2 days to sign up for my 3-month deal, people. I got to tell you, we're a printing press these days. And it's a trend that just started this week. We were getting chopped up a little bit last week, but I'll tell you, this week, what a month. This month, best month I've had in 7 months. This is my best month in over 7. I've had some good months too, but this one takes the cake. I have 2 minutes left. Euro, yen. Closing below previous day low. Did not take out 120. 120 now is now spot. It's not going to take it out. It's over. It's going to roll over. It's going to come down and retest. Certainly this channel here. Certainly 113 looks like it's in the cards. It's only 300 pips, but sterling yen, the relative straight winner today. Sterling across the board, an animal. Euro sterling weaker. Pound dollar up on the day. Sterling yen pretty much up on the day. And it's funny, one of my members, one of my premium members last night was saying, "Wait a second, you're saying short euro dollar and be long the pound? You know who you are? What a call! Wow. You know how hard it is to call, say, short euro and long pound? That is a tough call. Look at that channel line resistance on euro, on sterling yen. We are right there. 120, 130 is huge. I don't think we break it. I don't. I don't think we break through it. We'll see. Dollar yen's acting very well right now. And of course, I want to give you my Euro Canada chart, because that is the most gorgeous chart you will ever see. Picture perfect. Well, I don't know if it's picture perfect, but again, it broke through. Bang. It's rallying a little bit here, I understand, but you know what? This baby's going lower. Going lower. Allstate down 20% today. What the hell is going on? So again, I want to thank you all for listening. Commodity currencies getting whacked today, as we see that. And I want to thank you all for listening. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio. Info at globalfxradio.com. The only voice you will ever need a Forex that makes you money. Printing press.